Dahi Bhindi Masala. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are some ladyfinger which is chopped, oil, 1 cup of curd, some onion which is chopped, salt, coriander leaves which are finely chopped, methi seeds, curry leaves, some garlic cloves and ginger which is chopped. With that the spices are some red chili powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, hing and some coriander powder. So let's start. Now take a pan and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Then I am going to add some garlic cloves and ginger which is chopped. With that some onion which is chopped. Mix them and cook them until the onions are golden brown. The onions are golden brown and now I am going to transfer it into a blender jar. I transferred it into this blender jar and now I am going to close the lid and blend it into a smooth paste. I blended it into a smooth paste and now we are going to go to the next process. In the same pan, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add the chopped ladyfinger pieces in it. Mix them well and cook them until they are dark green and they shrink. The ladyfingers are dark green and they shrink in size and now I am going to remove them from the pan. In the same pan, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil has heated and now I am going to add half tablespoon of methi seeds. Then I am going to add half tablespoon of cumin seeds. With that 1/4 tablespoon of hing and some curry leaves. Mix them and let them turn aromatic. Everything is aromatic and now I am going to add the onion paste in it. Mix it and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. The onion paste has cooked and now I am going to add different types of spices. So first salt as per taste, then red chili powder as per taste, turmeric powder half tablespoon and coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Mix them and let the spices cook. The spices have cooked and now I am going to add 1 cup of curd in it. With that I am going to add 1 cup of water. Mix them and bring them to a boil. The curry is boiling and now I am going to add the fried bhindi in it. Mix them and now I am going to cover the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the bhindi has cooked and now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of garam masala in it. With that, some finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix them and again cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, the sabji is ready to serve and now I am going to transfer it into a bowl. I transfer it into this bowl and now I am going to garnish it with some coriander leaves. So this is my delicious and tasty Dahi Bhindi Masala recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.